Friends, my name is Vilfar and welcome to another project after morning. This game is also built in Java and with help of game library libGDX. And this game is not so simple like morning, it's a little bit more complicated. I'm actually recording on desktop, but on mobile you will be controlling this game only with accelerometer. So with leaning your device actually. And I'm going to show you how this game works. So you have four game modes. First is normal, then fast, across, opposite, and you can choose which one. We'll choose normal for this one. You have small tutorial here how to what to avoid, what to take. You can take ability to make your score even better. So let's just try, and you can see on mobile it will be a lot more difficult when you will be controlling it with gyroscope, because I'm now using my mouse and I was playing this a lot of times. So uh, don't don't get like tricky that it's simple game, because it's not so much. And I actually wanted to make it like little bit harder. So we will see how it will goes. If you like the content, if you like this game, and um, simple its functionality, then please you can like and comment or dislike if you want. I don't have problem with that. I just want to know your opinion. What do you think? It's also like pretty old game. I would guess like 4 years, but still fun. Now when I'm self-employed, I'm like doing other projects obviously, but it's still pretty like actual game, I would say. You have to you have to pay good attention to those bombs, because it's really dangerous. It can make shockwave and put you to the side. Oh my god, now you can see I can move. Okay. Forgive it. Oh my god. Okay. I am here. So thank you for watching. I hope you like it, and you can download. I will put download links and everything in the description, and have a nice day.